Hello, Holy Wiremod here with tutorial 26 in Expression 2 series, where we're going to be taking a look at the include function, which was a requested topic. Now, to use include, or to actually explain what include is actually, if you're making a large Expression 2 chip, like a large file with thousands of lines or whatever, you kind of want to condense it or make it easier to manage and organize, I recommend using include. And what that does is similar to Lua and other programming languages, is include is going to include a file into the current file that you're including it to. So, for example, we had a tutorial on matrices for the last tutorial. So we had this, and it printed out the inverse matrix, if you recall. So I'm just going to print out the normal matrix. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I upload that, that's fine. But what if I want to run that from another file? So I can do that by including. Now, what include is doing is it's going into the Gary's Mod. If you look to our left right here, if you go to Gary's Mod, Data, and you go to your Expression 2 folder, you'll have all these files right here, which are for your Expression 2 chip. So if you want to include any one of them, you just take the name of it. So for example, that one was called Matrix Example, the one I just showed you. And we'll close that one out just to prove to you that I'm not running that one. And I'll say if first or duped. And we also always got to put it in the first or dupe statement. Just remember that. So include. And then we're going to say in parentheses, or not parentheses, in quotation marks, what we want to include. So we're going to say matrix example. And as you can see, now it puts out the matrix. Now it didn't put out the normal matrix instead of the inverse because we didn't actually save that. So if I select all and open all, this is what's different when you include. You can actually choose which files you want to open, which is pretty cool. So we're going to select all and then go OK. So you see it's still printing out this. Now if I change this and I save this as matrix example, if I can spell that example right, there we go. It's been a long day. Alright, so let's close that, and now I'm going to run it again, and now you can see it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like it should be. So anyway, I hope that answers everything you had about conclude, or include rather. That concludes the include. That's a prelude. No attitude. Anyway, enough rapping. But still, if you have any more questions, feel free to leave some in the comments below. And as always, if you like the material, feel free to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.